In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly manage visibility settings for specific sections of your web page using desktop view settings. Whether you're fine-tuning your website's design or optimizing the user experience, knowing how to control what appears on different devices can make a big difference. Let's dive right in and explore how to adjust these settings seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by selecting the section of your web page that you need to modify. This step is crucial because it's important to understand exactly which part of your site you're working on. Hover over the section with your mouse and click to select it. This action will highlight the area, indicating that it's ready for editing. Taking a moment to confirm your selection ensures that changes are applied to the correct section, preventing any accidental edits to other parts of your page. Once the section is selected, the next step is to navigate to the settings menu. This menu is typically represented by an icon, such as a gear or a wrench, and is usually located nearby either on a toolbar above the section or as part of a context menu that appears when you right-click. Clicking here will open up a range of options specifically related to the section you've chosen. Familiarizing yourself with this interface can greatly enhance your ability to customize efficiently. Now, within the settings, look for the option labeled Hide on Desktop. This option is key if you want to tailor your page's appearance across different devices. By clicking Hide on Desktop, you instruct the system to only make this section invisible to those viewing the site from desktop computers. This capability is particularly useful for ensuring optimal design and function, especially if a particular section might not be relevant or might clutter the desktop version of your site. After you've made this selection, it's essential to finalize your changes by saving them. Locate the Save button, often found in the upper right corner of your interface. This action is crucial because without saving, all the adjustments you've made won't be applied and your visibility settings will remain unchanged. Once saved, these settings will take immediate effect, providing a streamlined viewing experience on the desktop while keeping the section visible on other devices, such as tablets and smartphones. And there you have it. Now you know how to adjust visibility settings for individual sections on your website, ensuring a clean and organized look across different devices. This process may appear simple, but it's incredibly powerful for anyone looking to deliver a tailored user experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on website management and design. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy designing!